Tired of Cloudflare analytics showing times that don't match your local clock? Fix it in 30 seconds. Now, if you've ever looked at your Cloudflare dashboard and seen event times that are totally off from what you actually experienced, you're not alone. The default time zone is UTC, which is great for servers, but terrible for humans trying to make sense of things. So here's what we're going to do. I'll show you exactly where to find the time zone setting and how to switch between UTC and your local time. It's a quick change, but it makes a huge difference. First, log into your Cloudflare account. Just head to dash.cloudflare.com and sign in like you normally would. If you're already logged in, you're good to go. This is where we start. Next, look at the top right corner of your screen for your profile icon. It's usually your initials or a small avatar picture. Go ahead and click on that. A drop-down menu will appear with a few different options. Don't worry about the other stuff there for now. From that drop-down menu, click on the option that says Time Zone. It's pretty straightforward. You'll see it listed right there alongside other account settings. Click it once, and the Time Zone settings page will open up. Now, you'll see two main options: Standard, or UTC, which is the default universal time that Cloudflare uses, and then Local, which will try to detect and use your computer's local time zone. For me, that shows as GMT+8, but yours might be different depending on where you are in the world. And here's the really important part. If you want all your analytics and logs to match your local clock, you need to select Local. But if you prefer to keep things in a consistent universal time for comparison across different regions, stick with Standard or UTC. It really depends on what makes the most sense for your workflow. Click on your desired time zone to apply the change. You don't need to save or confirm anything extra. Cloudflare updates it automatically as soon as you make the selection. To confirm that everything worked, go check your analytics or your logs. You should now see the timestamps reflecting the time zone you just chose. For example, if you selected your local time, events that happened at noon should now show up as noon, not some weird hour in the middle of the night. It's a small thing, but it makes interpreting your data so much easier. If the change doesn't reflect immediately, here's what to check. First, make sure you're looking at the right section of the dashboard. Sometimes the analytics page has its own cache, so refreshing the page might do the trick. Also, double-check that you actually selected the correct time zone from the dropdown. It's easy to accidentally click the wrong one if you're moving quickly. And finally, if you're using an API or a third-party tool that pulls data from Cloudflare, those tools might have their own time zone settings that need to be updated separately. But inside the Cloudflare dashboard itself, the change is instant. And that's it. Seriously, it's that simple. No more guessing what time something actually happened. Your analytics and logs will finally match your local clock. Thanks for watching, and happy troubleshooting.